Hey guys, it's December 31st, 2024. It's New Year's Eve. I thought I'd record myself changing out my optics battery. I do it on a yearly basis. Some people do it on their birthday. Some people just wait until it dies. I'd rather just know I have a fresh battery every year because these, last at a X amount of hours. But I'd just rather be safe, and I think it's smart to kind of change it out yearly. And we'll also see how much battery's left on here. But thought I'd record the process and show you guys how, whoever's curious, if you've not seen it, if you're just bored. I don't do anything on New Year's, so might as well just do it now. Let's go and clear that out. Alright, so now it is cleared, and safe to use. So I use the Holosun 508T, so I'm going to grab my handy dandy Holosun tool. I really hate their little screw tool, but it is what it is. I do have a witness mark on here. It's red. I use a paint marker to kind of notate this, kind of notice if it's shifted at all. If you don't have these tightened enough, I think they have a tendency of popping out. But I think any screw on a reciprocating slide may do that. So we'll get that loosened up. All right, and there's a little gap right here you can pop in to alright, so there's the old one. This is a 1632 battery. I already took out the new one out of its packaging. I got a bulk pack, or like a 4 or 5 pack from Amazon for cheap. I mean, if you change these out yearly, you're out like maybe $1 or $2 a year, so I don't think that's a horrible investment to make sure your red dots battery doesn't die. I mean, your opinion may differ, but who knows. Alright, so also a good thing to have is a battery tester. So what you do is this will fit anything that'll fit between these two poles, also 9-volt, but you just put the negative on the bottom, positive up top. This one's still at 2.77 volts. I don't know how accurate this is, but that seems pretty popular, or seems pretty accurate. And then this is a new one I just popped out. I did test this earlier. So this one's at 2.96. I think this is like, what, a 3-volt? I'm not really sure. Who knows? But these, they're good till October 2033. So 5-pack of those will last you 5 years on them. With the tray, you just put the positive side down, negative side up, like that. All right, pop it in there. Make sure you have any debris out of there. All right. That flush in there. Get this, tightening it up. I gotta probably change all my settings now. I think it automatically defaults to auto brightness, or using the little solar thingy, which I don't like. I just want manual brightness mode. But I've got it tightened up where it's matching that again, the tightness. I may wipe that off and redo the witness mark. That's where you want a paint marker. I also have them on my optic screws underneath the plate, and on the plate if you use a plate. But let's see if it's on. Yep, there we go. It's hard to see, you can't really see under the light, but it is on there. But yeah, I gotta change it because now it's got the circle dot reticle. I usually just use the dot. Yeah, it's not really showing up on there. But yeah, just a quick video on changing out the battery on the optic. Do it. I would suggest Duracells. They're not expensive. Amazon's a good route. Get like a 4 or 5 pack to save some money. Keep it around. Maybe throw one in your range bag if you need to, but change it out yearly and you're good to go. And it's just easy as that. It just takes a couple of minutes. You guys have a good new year, and let's hope 2025 is a lot better. All right.